Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we've had a little bit of volatility down at the bottom of this range here that we did see basically from yesterday's volatility that we saw with Bitcoin, basically having a very decent little move to the upside, but up to around that 30k level, followed by that massive crazy sell-off that we did see back down to 27k. Looking like we are recovering now, but obviously you can see Vechain here also having quite a large amount of volatility here between these 2 points. Came down to back test some of this area here, but we have had a nice pickup and still holding the bottom of the range very nicely, as we have done so many times in the past here in this area at around, what is it, 2.1 2.2 cents here. A very key level in my opinion, and somewhere that is continuously here been holding for months and months, and been a great place that I've been making a lot of profits from. You can see here every single time that I've longed this position, this bottom of this range here, apart from this position here where we did get stopped out, this position have all been pretty damn successful trades. And I'm probably thinking, with Bitcoin looking as bullish as it has been, we're probably going to be looking at Vechain heading back up into its range again. When that Bitcoin dominance does start to drop and it does start to crab sideways, we will see some altcoins starting to move. And right now, looking like Vechain really is just grinding at the bottom of this range still, isn't it? Not that much to say apart from that about Vechain right now. On the hourly time frame, you can get more of an idea about what's been going on with that crazy volatility. You can see we started to pick up off that low, just like we did last time. And then we had that huge dump to the downside with Bitcoin as well, having that big rollover and just the general volatility and weirdness in the market that we did see. You can see here, big rollover, but getting a nice pickup and bounce at this low, and now looking like we are just back essentially in this little consolidation at the bottom of the overall range before most likely getting a bit of continuation to the upside. So overall Vechain, it's doing fine. Obviously it's still a long way off heading out of this bear market resistance up here that we do need to see being broken, but it has been going sideways for a good while, and I do think once we do start to head into much more bullish territory over the next year or two, we're probably going to see Vechain heading back up to that all-time high and beyond, in my opinion. Obviously it's still sitting in the top 50 I think quite comfortably, and this is probably a crypto that's going to be around for the long term in my opinion. Probably a very nice long term hold. I think $1 or beyond in the next 5 years is very likely in my opinion, so that would be around a 50x from the current price. Obviously that would be a very nice little move to see. I've got some long-term bags for this, and we're just currently holding, seeing what happens. So when you zoom out, you can see there's quite a lot of noise at the minute, but really not that much going on, just going sideways, low volume, obviously still in a bear market kind of scenario for Vechain here, and we're waiting to see what happens next. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends, and I will see you in the next video.